Okay, good morning everyone. Hope you are doing well. Let me just get this up. Just gonna update the little sheet 3.02 now. Okay, good morning everyone, hope you're doing well. And we are back with another week over here. We are back with another week. So, what does that mean for us? It means new opportunities. So let's get into this. Looking pretty good. I mean, in terms of JPY pair straight off the back, they're looking a little bit on the rangier side. But that's okay, looking like Asian session made some huge zone on EJ here. But yeah, we'll start off on GJ. Okay, so obviously clearly ranging, right? We've been ranging really all the way since Wednesday we started ranging. So that's not the best for us to take trades in. That's fine. Daily candles are quite small as well. Look, you see, like, daily candles are normally quite big. These are tiny, so showing a lack of volume, showing a lack of direction. Okay, so let's just write them on here. Yeah, 4 hour time frame, same thing. Look how rangy it is. So really real lack of direction here. So that for me, makes my confidence a lot lower in terms of wanting to take a trade in GJ. Taking a look at the hourly time frame, same kind of story, right? Pretty rangy. Take a look at the 30-minute start to mark out some zones. Very obvious. I mean, if we're on Sims here, where would we be looking? Well, above here would be great. There to there. Maybe a closure below there. For there. So exactly what I said on the weekly outlook yesterday. Anything above is just horseshit. Apart from maybe a buy there as well, actually. Yeah. So very simple, right? We'll go through this. So, yeah, this obviously is support right now at 163, but the zone below, really isn't. It's 30 pips. It's 30 pips, but it's I wouldn't say it's the cleanest, right? So from there to there. I mean, actually, it doesn't move too bad, but obviously you got the rejection wicks as well. That's halfway in that zone. So for me here, it's probably going to be a little bit further down where I'm going to want to take some trades. Either below the support or below here. Yeah, probably below here, right? And the reason is because of this, right? Every single time we come below this level, we move quick. We move quick back up. We move quick back down. We move quick back up. We move quick back down. We move quick back up. Okay, so every single time we come into this area, we move pretty damn good. So in that case, that means I can take my 15-20 pips in this area. So there we go. I'd put sells below, maybe a little bit below this resistance. There we go, like that. Sells below 162.561. Beautiful. Okay, to continue back down to 162.120. That's a 40 pip zone. That's a very nice range. And do I expect it to get to here today? Yeah, maybe, but probably not. Maybe towards the next couple of days. But when it does get to there, I'll know what to do. Right? Very simple. In terms of buys, as I said, there is resistance. There is a little rejection here. That's at 163.971. Potentially continue. I mean, it's not the nicest, but it's just got clean candles a little bit here. Obviously resistance there as well. So, it could be alright. It is actually 164 psychological level as well. So what I would want to do maybe is just wait for price to make a high and then make some support forming, I think it's just going to make life much easier. In terms of obviously the proper buys are above here, right? 164.434. Buys above 164.431. Good morning, Totti. Are you doing well? And obviously, so if you do break above this level, maybe move it a little bit higher just to get that 15. So yeah, like above there, above 456. And where would this continue to? Well, it would continue to probably, I mean, this resistance here. So 165, 100. Very nice. Oh, I don't need to go that. And obviously even furthermore, potentially to the high again, which is, you know, a long way away, but hopefully if you can get into a trade like there, you've got this whole move, which would be great. But apart from that, that's pretty much it. Very, very simple. And GJ here. And we just gotta wait. Obviously, right now it's not looking too good. In terms of a 5-minute trend line, I couldn't really find one. I wanted this one here this morning. From there to there, but we already closed below there. Kind of did it at like 520, 455. So. Kind of already happened, but let's just take a look here. Let's take a look at the daily time frame, right? Starting to look like we're making a bit of support here. Looking like we've reacted off 1810 level. Started to come back bullish. So yeah, I mean, maybe some good signs over here for Goldie, because it's been pretty hard recently in terms of just the overall zones. Been pretty slow moving. However, some sort of direction now with bullish buys would be nice, especially for the fact that if you look before, we've been starting to trend up now, so making high highs, high lows, just starting to come out right now. Just a bit of a retest, that's all. So it's still pretty bullish. So yeah, take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Looking like the last 4-hour time frame closed bullish, yeah, with a rejection wick from the downside, which is nice. We have just came back to the high at 855 and rejected though, so we've got to remember that. But if this candle right now reflips, breaks the high, looking good to probably continue. Take a look then, hourly 30-minute, yeah. So in terms of, let's just take a look at buys first. Where would I want to take them? Yeah, so we kind of have an order block there, kind of before the push. So I don't really want to be taking buys. Yeah, this is all very choppy for buys, to be honest with you. So I would have to just wait for it to make a high and wait for some support forming. Very, very simple. That's what you've got to do. In terms of, when there's nothing much to the left-hand side for me, which there isn't. In terms of sells, though, we do have a little opportunity here for sells. Obviously, we have Asian low. If we get a closure below 1851.7, I'll look to take sells to continue back down to 1848.5. And that zone itself would be, 32 pips. Yeah. Very, very nice. Let's write that on. Sells below 1851. 86, yeah, it's very, very clean. Should sells on gold too risky? No. Because also, if you get a closure below here, we'll be coming towards these wicks. That'll be breaking 4-hour lows. So no, I'm not really asked in terms of bias now. If I'm looking at the sims, there really wasn't. I didn't need to look at the higher time frames really, unless there was a big resistance there or a big support, an obvious bullish or bearish trend in terms of like the candles were fucking vertical. Apart from that, you didn't have to really too worry about it. So yeah, we'll wait for that. I think it'll be a nice little push back down there. In terms of any sells furthermore, yeah, this is all kind of choppy area, so nothing too much. Okay then, so good stuff. Got that up and sorted, and EJ looks the same. 7-0. Oh my god, 7-0. That's mad. Manchester United. What? Especially to Liverpool as well. Oh my god. How's that Premier League table looking like now, actually? Newcastle are dropping away. Look at that. No. Oh my god, Liverpool are 5th. Fucking hell. Damn. They've pulled it back recently. What else? Oof. Chelsea's 10th. Fucking hell. Finally got their first win though. 1-0 against Leeds. That's poor, that. That's really poor. So yeah. We'll just 5th game in hand. Wow, with the game in hand as well. Shit. So yeah, let me just write this on EJ. Nothing really happening here. We just range him, so I don't really like it too much. But we'll see if we can find any clean zones for us to take trades in later on, maybe. EJ's been my baby recently, man. I'm not gonna lie. EJ's been pretty good to me. We've yeah, it's been pretty nice. Have I? What's my win rate on EJ? 100% win rate. Obviously, I haven't taken many trades on it, but when I do, yeah, I haven't lost on EJ yet. Damn. So let me just mark these up. But yeah, looking like we're still ranging. Nothing really looking. Still obviously bullish structure. But yeah, there's nothing for me to dig my hands in. Obviously, these are kind of clean. And I actually would have liked that 3 Asian, you know, these pushes with these clean candles here. But we have just made this range now. So, yeah. And also, I'll go through the trade that I took as well yesterday after the stream. It wasn't actually too further on. Which is a bit mad. I need to start staying on the streams a little longer at 9:30. Because sometimes there's trades there. Obviously, my members get it all. But, you know, YouTube guys should get it too, maybe. Yeah, like, for me here, if any buys, it's just shit. There's just nothing here. Okay. So, yeah, not really looking at that. Hey, guys, do you have magic keys that bug? When you opt to calculate, just the stop bus just prints random lines. Oh, anyone have that? Was there a stream last night? No. Do you have Magic's bug? When you open a calc, you can adjust the stop loss TP and entry. It just prints a random. Oh. No idea. So yeah, this is what we're looking at this morning. Very good, very good. João Felix got Chelsea's goal of the month because he scored their only goal of Feb. Oh my god. Oh, that's rough, that. So, in terms of what we need to look at, we need to look at the trade, yeah, that I took. This one here, the EJ trade at 9:25 on Friday. It was a very, very nice trade. Very simple. Okay, let's go through it. Hopefully, let's see, right? Anyone on YouTube take this trade, okay? So, what I was looking at was that this was resistance. This is support. Okay, this zone as a whole is pretty good, right? It's big enough. The candles move quickly. Look, we've come up quickly, we come down quickly, we come up quickly. Okay, now another thing that I also pointed out for myself is that, can you see that, yeah, there's a support there, can you see? But the candle already came to the low. So every single time we came up to this level, we came up to the high, came down, we came back up, we came back down, we came back up. So we moved so quickly in this area from there to there. Okay, that's my first, you know, exciting point. And then I was watching the 30 coming down. I was like, oh, looking good. We might get a closure here. But then I looked at the 15. I was like, oh my god, the 15's closed below previous support. I was like, right, okay, I'm getting in. So straight away, when this candle flipped, got into trade sell, stop loss above 24 pips, targeting the whole of this zone. I was going to really hold on the whole of this zone. Okay, price came down. Didn't go break even straight away because the 30 had to make the top wick, and I was worried it was going to get break even. So waited. Then we started reflipping and breaking these lows. Then I went break even, and then I closed 80% at 23 and then the rest at 26. Why did I close the rest? Well, because the 4-hour time frame didn't close below resistance here. So therefore, I was expecting it to continue dry and make a top wick at least first, instead of respecting support. Okay, so that was the trade sent to the group on Friday. Very nice. I have EJ buys with 144734. Yeah. You could maybe squeeze it out because the 15-minute here moves pretty quickly. Yeah, you could do. It's all right. I don't want to rush into a move that has no direction. Can you take a review of my entry? Sure thing. We'll take a look at there. But yeah, looking good, man. Feeling good. Hope you guys had a great weekend. I sure did. I spent a shitload of money on the weekend, which is interesting. But you know, good fun. Let's go here. Let's go here. There we go. Okay. Okay, gold candle broke mini support. Okay, yeah. Not a bad range. Yeah, you're right. Yeah. Candles you know, they've pushed down pretty quickly. Not bad. Yeah, I think for me here, it's just for me picking my zones the most is the most advantage. For example, right? I know that if you just wait 20 pips more down here, I'm gonna have such a cleaner zone, and the only level it has to get to is there. Whereas, you know, this is just a range. So, yeah, I think I'd rather wait for a breakout. Yeah. Also, look here as well. Yeah, like even if so this candle's closing below, you get the trade. If you look at the hourly support, sorry, the 4-hour support is just there, which is still 10 pips away, I suppose. But yeah, for me, I just, you know, I always like looking at the left and going, you know what, breaking this support be Asian lows. Right now, we're still pretty bullish, right? Because, you know, make a little support and just fly. Whereas if we break, you know, the support it made through Asian session and break the 4-hour lows with confidence of the clean candles, I'm just gonna get a nice trade here, which is gonna have a higher win rate and a bigger push probably. What do you think about gold sells right now? Yeah, I just went through that. Yeah, I think you might be able to get it maybe to that little order block there and just go break even. 1852.7. That is also the 4-hour support. Yeah. Make sure you like the stream, guys. Only 22 likes. Let's get them likes up, boy. And yeah, ready for a beautiful week. So far, though, like I haven't taken a losing trade in a while. I'm on like a 9-win streak, which is pretty nice. But you know, it's all the same thing every day. Nothing changes. You just keep on going. Nothing changes. So yeah, GJ's got a lot of way to go to get me interested, really. 163 is right here, big psychological level, so I just don't want to get it too early. Tired today, need to get some sleep, boy. So yeah, we'll see. If you'll see that thing on my story, yeah, this one. I was like, "Whoa, that's pretty cool." They're like, "Yeah. If you limbo under it, you get a free shot." Man, I was straight there. Oh, and Lebanese food was unreal. Really, really nice place that was in Newcastle. Banging. Very nice. Yeah, I'm gonna start posting more just about my life and stuff more. I feel I don't post enough of it, so I'm gonna do that a little bit more. Right, GU. Everyone and their grandma's asking for GU. Right. I swear to God, if there's nothing going on in GU, I'm gonna kill you. GU. Looks like there's a gap, looks like there's support there, looks like there's clean candles below. How big is the zone? 12 pips with the rejection wick. Ah, fuck that. So yeah, there's nothing really here. Right, but it's not amazing. Where was it at your Lebanese? It's a new restaurant in Darras, literally just opened up. It's called Atish. It's unreal. Proper good. Yeah, it was nice. Yeah, it was very nice. EJ pushing down, Goldie's gradually getting there. But yeah, I think that's going to be probably the trade that I'm going to be most looking forward to, I think. Goldie, to be honest with you, I think that'll be the best one. Yeah, 7-0 is pretty bad. I bet Ten Hag was raging. Oh, I bet he's pissed as well.
Yeah, a very, very bad day. Obviously, shocking day, really. The goal just after, well, just before half time in the second half, it was game over then. United, the senior players were, you know, we'll use all the words, obviously embarrassing.
They just don't like, I don't really, when I watch them play, they don't seem to have like a captain that's like, you know, keeping them motivated, keeping them like shouting at them as well. Like, man, you should see me at the five-a-side games. I'm proper screaming at them like come on, like, if, you know, if we get a sloppy goal in, I'm like, come on lads, switch on. There's just no one like that in United. You need someone like that to boost them up. They have Bruno just fucking waves his arm about and gets a hissy fit. Like, you just got to dig in deep. It's not good, that team, in terms of like mentality. If you go down, obviously when they're winning, it's bloody great, but they literally need to just, you know, the best teams, they don't quit. Like, have you ever seen Manchester City go down and fucking not try the absolute maximum to get back to it? And most of the times they do. Like, they graft their arses off. And Portuguese not even do like. He's a good player. He just waves his arms around and just makes it a nasty environment for people. You know what I mean? Like, if I've played now, you know, did a shit shot and he fucking waves his arm around, it's not nice. Like, you just be supportive, go like, good play, like, you know. What's the point in doing that? It ain't gonna help, so don't do it at all, you know. Unless, obviously, you know, they took a shot and he could have squared it. Obviously, you get pissed off with that and tell him, remember, like, let's just fucking score. For the most part, it's silly. Can't believe they lost 7-0 and Maguire was on. I need to watch the highlights, man. I've watched the goals, but it just seemed like the box was just. Sorry, the ball was just randomly in the box, and then they just have a tap in all the time. It's like, why the fuck is the ball just floating in the box like that? It was mad. I would say, guys, if you're in these gold cells, if it breaks that low, just go break even. Just hope it pushes. Get a bloody goal, lads. It's going to turn my mood for the rest of the week. Oh, Arsenal's goal live. Yeah, if you guys did get into themselves, if you risked it for a biscuit, I'd go break even now. I didn't actually see it. Yeah. Bournemouth, are these last in the league? Oh, what a stop. Fucking hell. What a class shot as well. Oh my god, that keeper's done great. Oh, it went in. Oh, what a goal. Jeez. Wow, last minute. Max, can you tell me which trade did you took on Friday? Yeah, I already did it. Just go back and have a look on the stream. Go back at the start. After I did the kind of analysis for the day. It was an EJ sell. 50-minute time frame closed below here. Clean candles to the left hand side. Took it on the break at that low. Stop loss above. Held all the way down to that support. Why did I hold? Well, because I know every single time we came down, always came back down to that level. Every time. Okay, even like this one looks like it has support there. It did come down there first. So I knew that the zone was good. Yeah, it was class that. Really, really nice push. Great stuff. Didn't go break even straight away, as I said, because of the 30-minute, but still good. Oh, with all wicks back up, so you probably get a break even on that Goldie, but do not hold his drawdown now, right? Why? Well, because you came very close to the 4-hour support. It should have really driven by then. And this is when you're still holding the bag, you're like, oh man, I should have got break even. And then, the funny thing is as well, is a lot of people will do this as well, right? So if you took this trade, this sell trade, right? I don't know why you take it really, because it's not out of the zone, but let's just say you did. And you come back down here and, everyone else has gone break even and now you're still holding it. And price starts to come up and then you break that high and lose the trade. It's just, it ruins you. It really, it pisses you off because you've taken a winning trade, getting into profit and lost from it. It's not nice. You've done a Daniel Savage over here. Okay? And the one time that, yes, it wicks up and then it reflips and then continues down, you're like, oh, well, I need to hold them now. I need to trust it. It's like, well, no, we should have pushed it at the same time. If you go on a backtesting software and you take them trades and hold on instead of going break even at the preferred time, you'll see why. You'll get hit a lot of L's. And especially with a winning trade, a winning setup, a winning push, coming back to your entry and then you take a losing trade from it. Ah, man, it's not healthy. It's not good. Not good. So let's do a little question of the day. What's your favorite pair? You tell me as well in the chat. What do you guys like the most? What do you guys like the most? Just doing our pairs. That's quite an interesting question for me, actually. I don't know at the moment. Let's take a look at what was the win rate. What's the win rate been recently? little tough thing with the black tail at the start. I still think gold. The gold moves have more potential to run and push hard. But GJ and EJ seems to be very easy to trade at the moment. You just wait for the clean zones and you get someone out of it. It's pretty simple. Like 100% win rate on EJ and what was it, 80 on 78? Maybe a little bit lower. 78% on GJ. Like that's and that's good, man. For me here, think about this. This is like a Don win rate. This is like a Don win rate. But bear in mind his stops are fucking, huge. My stops are a 1-to-1 pretty much. I'm getting 77%, 78% win rate. So that's pretty good. Pretty happy with that. Very nice. Yeah, see the cut you with Arsenal now. 5 years ago they would have crumbled. Man, Arsenal are looking great, and good on them, man. I'm just happy for Arteta. I don't mind for Arsenal. I'm just happy for Arteta. I think he's a G. And people are really slagging him off at the start. But being a manager must be an absolute pain in the ass. And I know you get paid well and stuff, but fucking hell, just especially when they want rid of you after like 4 bad games. It's like, fucking hell, can you just give him some time to like put his ethos in? And like with Graham Potter, I know Graham Potter really hasn't done too well recently, but when you buy a manager, you should buy them knowing it's the future and you believe in them and you give them time. There's no point fucking chopping and turning. It just makes the club look like it doesn't know what it's doing. Come on, you gunners. Yeah, it's mad. So yeah, we're only 7 o'clock, right? We've got a lot of time, but we are still in these little ranges. But as I said, that's fine. It's all good. Did anyone in the YouTube chat take that EJ trade on Friday? Did anyone take it? And if you were looking at it and didn't take it, why didn't you take it? If you did, tell me if you did, because having it at 9:25, it was nice. 65% of people said gold. Nice. Yeah, big percentage there on Goldie. Didn't even look at EJ after morning. Didn't take 5 trades on index. Oh my god. Did take 5 trades on index. Nice. Very nice. Yeah, we're also still waiting for 150 likes for a Magic Keys giveaway. We'll get them up and running once we hit that 150. So if everyone in the chat right now liked, you'd be pretty close to doing it. Oh, magic. Morning Max, all the love from Melbourne, Australia. Oh, very nice. Thank you very much. I didn't take it as the initial candle moved too far away from the zone for me. Or I also didn't check the 15 where it did make more sense for me. Yeah. Yeah, I was watching the 30 as well. I was like, oh, let me just see what the 15 did. Like, oh, it closed below before. Like, yeah, this is for me. I took on 2 trades in EJ. The second one, maybe you could look. Was that 130 on Friday? The closure below topic flip entered but faked out a little push. Okay, so at 130 on Friday, you got a fake out, did you? Okay, let's go through this because actually, yeah, I mean, did you take it on the flip here at 372 right there? Yeah, the close below. Yeah, okay. So you've just got to see something here, right? Someone tell me what you could do, because what things has the person done right? A closure below, previous support, you're in high volume time, you got a clean zone back down at this level. What is the only warning sign you have to looking here? Someone tell me in the Zoom. What would be a factor here? So this should be the trade you took, the closure below, you're getting on the flip here. Stop loss above below previous. So let's go through a couple of things, right? First of all, is stop loss is 16. Is the zone big enough? Yeah, it's 16. That's okay. Wicks. Yes. Raja's name. Wicks don't lie, okay? So the only thing for me that's giving me little spider senses warning signs is this. Okay. Why? Well, I know that we came back down here before and we've ejected 3 wicks. So it's a clear rejection area. And then we bounced off pretty hard. So how do I get into this trade without, getting cautious of this? Well, I can still get in. But when this candle pushed down here, coming towards those wick lows, it's like 5-6 pips in profit, maybe a little bit more, maybe 5-6 pips in profit. Then man, you bet me bottom dollar I'm going break even. Yeah, break even. Okay. So yeah, it would have been break even on the wicks. Yeah, beautiful stuff. So I think that's just managing. Just look to the left. If there wasn't anything here, so if this was clean, like that, and you had a closure below, then I'd hold the whole thing. Yeah, just go break even at the 50% mark. But that was not the case. That was not the case. Yeah. And there we go. Everyone that took those gold cells have just been wiped out if you didn't go break even, like I said. And now you learned your lesson today. Well done. Well done. Well done. So yeah, Goldie is coming up. And I know obviously it's coming towards volume time. And yeah, might be able to get to... Oh, 1858 actually isn't that... It's quite far away actually. Interesting. Wow, sorry, daily's flipped. 4 hours pushing up again. Yeah, this is gonna drive. How long we got left of this candle? Ages. Great. 40 minutes left. Give me the low wick trend line, boy. Looking like a bit of volumes coming in here on gold. Obviously, it is looking bullish, which is good. Maybe get to up to 1859. I think that's probably quite a decent target. So I might look into this if you get a 30-minute closure above. Put myself up on the flip of that 50-minute candle, but moved it and waited for the 30 to close and missed the trade. Thanks. Was it a bad trade? No. No. You had things, right? You had a big enough zone. You had clean candles left and side. You had good volume time. And you had direction. You had good things. The one thing that you just got to be a little bit cautious of is just those wicks. It rejected there before, so it could reject there again. That's all you got to remember. So when you get to there, you get to the wick areas, just go break even and hope it pushes. If it pushes, great, you've got a W. If it doesn't, you get a break even, not an L. Okay. That's all you gotta do. All you gotta do. So yeah, this week I'm going to be reviewing a new Forex backtesting software. It's called Forex Tester. So I'm going to go review it. We're going to do a live stream on YouTube using it, and then I'm also going to do a review on YouTube. Yeah. And today, yes, this is what I do. Today I'll post my Q&A. It's a nice little Q&A. Yeah, I'll post that later on. So stay tuned on my Instagram to do that. Is that you? General consensus with break just above resistance. Yeah, just go break even when you get to them. Yeah. Yep. How many hours do you sleep? Probably go to bed like half 11, 12, wake up at like 6. So like 6 hours, which is not a lot, to be honest. Yeah. Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's your spread like on gold? Let's take a look at the best broker in the industry. Oh, it's set at 12, so it's quite high today. Interesting, and it's actually fixed as well. So set, yeah, 1.2 pip spread. That's the highest that I normally see gold on IC. Beautiful. How was your Lebanese food? Very nice. It's very, very good. Yeah, really, really nice. It was gorgeous. Yeah, it was really good, man. I really enjoyed it. It was tasty. So 10 minutes left. Looking like we might have actually enough time here, which is good. How big are stops gonna be? A little bit larger than normal, but we'll see. Oh, I'm freezing. I need that big hoodie on. So yeah, we'll see in this closure in 2 minutes' time. Goldie's still doing its thing. EJ as well. Relax, GJ. Relax, Gulag. Buys above bro Goldie. Yeah, I've already talked about it 15 billion times. You guys need to listen. Let's take a look then at news. I know the news today is not bad. Yeah. CPI for the Swiss over here. Apart from that, there's nothing else really, which is great. The Swiss. Right, while waiting, we'll do a little wordle over here. While we'll wait for my zones to come. See if we can get a quick one. Oh! Oh! Wow. Oh my god. Wow. I don't know. What actually could I use with a vowel? I've got U. Okay, so. Lint knows now. Nah, that's not enough. Is this a word? No. Miss. No, wait. Buzzy. What the fuck does that mean? What the fuck? Oh my god. Holy. I'm just typing in random fucking letters, mate. Wow, that one's mad. So yeah, I hope GJ breaks out of this zone soon. I really want these buys above here, 164,456, and the sells actually as well, 162. So it's like a 200 pip zone that I don't really want anything. Hopefully we can get to one of the levels. Perfect, 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 perfect. So I gotta weigh up things, right? Stop losses be 36, TP only 26. That's rough. That's rough. Whiny. Oh, kinky. Yes. Yes. Pinky. Yes. Me, what a clutch. Any United fans here this morning? Oh God. 15-minute stops, maybe. Yeah, maybe. He doesn't give me much room, but yeah. We'll see how if it can make a nice little wick, to be honest. I don't think I was gonna get that one. Look, gold. I already have 30, 40 billion times. I actually don't get how this is a thing. And when I was watching Raja and learning from Raja, I don't think I ever messaged in the chat, look at something. The zone above that zone is also clean. Is it? Oh yeah. It's alright. Yeah, it's true. Well, we'll see. We shall see. Where's the hiding keys? There we go. 70% of people said that gold was their favorite pair. Nice. Very nice. Not bad at all. So yeah, 4 minutes left. Has it broke the high yet? Yeah, that's broke the Asian highs, which is nice already. It's good to see. Might go quickly get a coffee because yeah, I'm gonna go quickly go get a coffee. I've got 4 minutes because I'm feeling a little bit on the tired side. 2 minutes.
Good morning.
Morning, Michael, my man.
Bring me one too.
Huh?
Bring me one too.
Bring me one too.
Well,
2 minutes, guys. Right, I have enough time to make that coffee. Wait a little bit longer. Let's take a look at the lower time frames. Still not pretty too bad. Yeah, I'd probably want to wait for a nice lower wick here, hopefully. Just so I can get that drive pushing and go break even. And if it wants to run, it can run. If not, that is also good. So, where's the last gold trade I took? Swiss CPI news influence gold? Question mark. I might do. We'll see. Might do a little bit. Yeah, EJ doing nothing. GJ still doing nothing. Goldie closed. Closed right on resistance. Just above. A bit, but not much. Still no lower wicks on anything. I'm not rushing into this. I don't fancy it yet. I wanted to make a nice lower wick first, because even the previous 15 didn't make a lower wick. So if it makes a lower wick, great. I'll have a look. If not, then yeah, I'm happily gonna leave it. Oh yes, 200 people in here already. Beautiful for a Monday morning. It's Friday then. It's not Friday, it's Monday. I quite like Mondays now though. Really, really like Mondays. That's when you know your life's going good. When you enjoy your Mondays. When you hate your Mondays, you gotta change that. So what is this setup name used to enter gold now? Daily flip or closure? It's just called closure above, yeah. Closure above. Looks like this. Glad you're looking for buys too on Twitter. Yes. Is he now? Is he now? Things are getting interesting. I really wanted to make a lower wick. Stop's fucking huge. Make a lower wick. It has my terminal, to be fair. It gapped up a little bit, but I just expect this to be pulled down a little bit. Maybe go retest 1855, then I'll get the flip. That would be spiffy. If you got in right now, your stop loss would be 38 pips. I know you could use 15, but I don't know. I don't trust it. I want the lower wick. Can you draw resistance on your chart, please? What? I have. Everywhere. What was the CPI? 0.7. Better than expected. Interesting. PS15 for stop loss was a good option if there's a bottom wick. Without a bottom wick, it's not a good idea to use it. Yeah. Yeah. thinking of maybe the break of the high now. But come on, make it a little bit more of a lower wick, you prick. I just don't like that 15 stops, just a little bit too tight. That's all. You should go down, gold should go up. Nice. It should do anyway, even without the news though. It's looking pretty good. I think I'm gonna have to take the break of the high. Yeah, with 15 stops. Yeah, so we got a buy stop on now. Yes, make a lower wick, you prick. 1856.78 is what I like. Level is. Yeah, 1856.8 is when I've got it. Oh, there's quite a bit of stream delay, is there? Really? So where are my targets? Well, we'll have to see, but I kind of just want to push, 1860 would be great to get a hold of, to be honest with you. 1862 is the next one. Where are my stop loss? I don't know. Ask yourself, my man. Okay, in a trade over here.
Man, my magic key doesn't work when I place open trade. Now it's working. Thank you.
What, did you get in at the right
Yeah,
time?
I pressed open trade and he say check the journal. I don't know why. Pressed two
Weird.
times, same error, and now it's working. For sure.
Rejecting pretty quickly here. Gonna give it a bit more chance. But obviously, because we are at a high, I do want to go break even pretty quickly. Yeah, do you know what? If I get to entry, I'm just gonna go break even here, guys. So stop loss to break even. If it pushes, great. If it doesn't, I'm just gonna hate my break even. Yeah, break even hit. Beautiful. And that is, for me personally, how I enter trades at breaks of highs. I get the push. If the push continues and hits my TP, great. But the issue you have is at a high, the rejection can be devastating. Okay? And I don't want to take the drawdown, because realistically, if we reject this level, we're going to push pretty hard. Okay? So there we go. And if this continues without me, that's great. This is how I trade break of highs. Break even hit. Would you re-enter if we get another break? No. You know, if it continues, that's great. No, that's great. But for me, that is how I want to enter buys. Fake out might be. No, I still think it's no. Nothing's happened for it to not continue bullish, right? It's just I know if we reject, it can be quite painful. And you know, actually my stop loss was 15 pips. Sorry, my stop loss was 13 pips, and I was already up 10. So 50% rule anyway, even at a high. So I'm never ever gonna hold that on. Okay. Beautiful. Zero drawdown though. Beautiful. Just for me. Did not push. Let's just go here. And that's just one of my rules for breaking of highs, because they can be quite painful at times. I'd rather get the push and the win than a losing trade. Okay, so easy work on to the next. Yeah, see if this does continue. I hope it does for people still holding. It looks good though. Look at the 5. Still looks okay. Just for me, my rules. I stick with my rules just because I've seen it reject pretty hard. I'm staying away for a while. If it flips bearish, we'll probably close. Yeah, nice. I think it should be good now. If you look at the lower time frame, yeah, if it re-breaks that out 1 minute low there, it's gonna be a little bit of drawdown, eh? So yeah, I gotta wait a little bit longer now, which is unfortunate, but nice, man. Got to 10 pips already. Fucking easy push that. Wow. Easy push. What call 2 is the sweet? Yeah, nice. So look at the 1 minute now. Close bullish back above. Should be good. Come on, 5 minute push. Spread got me, yeah. Yeah, boy. So yeah, I mean, what I could potentially wait for now is to make a high, to come down, make some support, and then take sells. So take the buys from there. Beautiful. Is it going to be a trend line? Possibly. Nice inverse head and shoulders. Cool that you have this kind of trading and you don't get salty, go and break even. Preserving capital is sometimes better than actually earning. Yeah. Well, especially with break of highs, when the traffic to the left was so far away, it's previous data. It's not up to date. So that's why. Okay, beautiful now. Breaking the highs again. For me here, if you guys are still in it, I'd go break even now again. Drives, it drives. If not. It comes back and reflips, comes back below, ain't looking good. Hey Max, thoughts on this? Current gold 30-minute closes 8:56. I need to send me back into this area. Maybe, yeah. Maybe just a fake out, yeah. Yeah. I still think for me the sells 1851.8 would be the nicest. Yeah. So if you did take that trade and you did hold. Yeah, you got a 1-to-1. It's also closing of the 15-minute in literally a second, so I'd close 80% here. Why? Well, because the next 15-minute candle has to open. Obviously, you at break even. Next 15-minute has to open and make a lower wick, and it could tap you out. So if you're at a 1-to-1 and your candle's closing, then just take some P's off. That's 2% first trade in the group. Oh, nice! You kept it on. Good stuff. Good stuff. Nice. Well done. Well done. Close 80. Good stuff. There you go. See, next candle has to open. See if it can continue the little runner. But that's normally what I say. You know, when the next candle is about to close, remember it's going to have to make it for a lower wick most times. So don't get trapped in that. So yeah, beautiful stuff. And for me, you know, that's perfect, man. A great push-up, 10 pips, beautiful. Very, very nice. So for runners, I mean, what would you do for runners? For me, if this starts pushing, you can see, it's far away, but obviously you do have that resistance at 1859. Yeah, that's probably the one that, how far is that? It's pretty close, so can I hit that? Yeah, next one would be obviously up here, 1862. I've been trading for 1.5 years, never watched any stream. It's so refreshing to trade with someone around just chilling. Yes, I agree. Much nicer. Streams, you can vibe, you can bounce ideas off people, you can send in charts. Yeah, that's how I learn. Great stuff. I would like to share you my recipes with you. I invite you to my channel. Ooh, very nice. The 50-minute time frame is, look, you see it's making the lower wick, and therefore if you didn't close anything there, now you're gonna hit break even. So and why do I know this thing where I close, you know, before the 15 closes, like just before? Because I've just seen it happen billions of times on Sims. So I'm not Mystic Mike, I can't read into the future. I just know that for the most part, if your stop isn't safe, meaning like your stop isn't below, like sorry, your entry isn't below the previous candle, like there, the next candle has to make the lower wick, and you're very likely gonna get your break even. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Put them in there. They need to charge. They'll be out of battery. So there you go. That's what I love about trading. In and out a few minutes, and that's it for the day. Now going on my second business. Very nice. Yeah. It's good stuff. It's good stuff. Also, it's good to see that I plot the same levels and want to take the same entries and help, and you help to keep me off from lower probability trades I would take. Exactly. That's why I started the streams, really, just to help people out. It was literally the reason. If you get word, yeah, we did get word, all good stuff. I hope these JPY pairs do leave at some point. Hopefully. Owlie's coming back down, 30 minutes rejecting a little bit here. But it's to be expected, pretty much came that resistance that we talked about. And yeah, that's just how I deal with breaker highs. I know this one worked and we would have closed 80% a little bit higher. But I just know over time, you know, I'll take a lot less winners, a lot less losers, sorry. Make sure you like the stream, guys, if you haven't already. I know we took that trade. It was beautiful work, 0 drawdown. Make sure you like that stream up. And that was kind of the only one that we've been seeing this morning so far. There hasn't been too many more. What's a backtesting software called again? Soft for Effects. However, I am going to be reviewing a new one this week, so that'll be fun. That'll be fun. And it's not even 8 o'clock yet. We've got loads of time. By the way, what do you think about moving stops to 10 pips in profit instead of taking 80%? What? You can't move your stop. What? Move your stops to 10 pips profit, but then it'll just hit 10 pips overall, won't it? One second, just put that on. Subscribe. There it is. Right, with 1 second, it's good to see Caitlin. She's going now, I think. 2 minutes. Bye, Felicia. If the 15-minute candle closes back in the range, would you take a sell? No. I'd probably wait for the 30. Oh, it's the same thing, yeah. Maybe. We'll see. We shall see. We shall see. Is that a support form? No. It depends how this candle closes. If it closes like that, to close you back in the zone. If it holds support there, and the next candle closes bullish, then it's support forming. Are you going to take the fake out trade? Yes, potentially. If we close below. Hey, just got in here. GJ 4 hour is telling me buy, but all the other time frames look for sells. Alice in the end basket is looking for a buy. What do you think? Okay. Well, just take a look at GJ. And take a look at your question. What have you just said to me? Hey, GJ on the 4 hour looks like a buy. On all the other time frames, it looks like a sell. What does that tell me? It tells me that you don't really know what's going on. Now, is that because you're a bad trader? No, not at all. It's because you're using your eyes, right? There's nothing here. How does the 4 hour look bullish in any sort of way right now? It doesn't. You need to remember. Don't make it too hard. Don't try and guess where things are going. What have you got right now? You've got horrendous price action. Candles printing sideways. A break in retest? No, you don't have anything. Right? You're thinking of that more higher scale, like, oh look, we made a high, we come back down, we're retested to continue those. There's absolutely sweet fuck all there, okay? All you've got is a resistance and a support, and you're ranging, okay? So there's absolutely no trade to be taken in GJ whatsoever in any circumstance. And where did you get that from? Normally from that question you asked me, right? If you find it so hard to find the direction of GJ, which I personally am this morning, why? Because it's ranging. That's your answer. There's no trades. No trades at all. Okay? There's absolutely no trades unless it gets below 162561, maybe 163 if you fancy maybe a little bit riskier sells. Buys above maybe 164 and then 164456. Right now it is doing absolutely nothing. And this is when, you know, if you try and guess the move, you're just going to get hit. You're going to get slapped. Okay? So you just got to leave it alone a little bit. Sells below 144387 on EJ. 144387. No. $387. Right, let me draw 387. Why in God's name would I want to take a sell there? Okay, you think maybe closure below this line, okay? Wick rejection, wick rejection, wick rejection, wick rejection, wick rejections, wick rejections. Body there. Yeah, this pushed down nicely, this did. But you can't just forget that it's not all hunky-dory. There's a shitload of wicks here. So, for me, no. You're here to your stream every day. Looking forward to joining you. Very nice. Thank you very much. Very much. So looking like the 15 is still respecting that level right now. 3 minutes left. Gold, the previous 30 did not close above the previous daily high. It broke it, but it did not close above. Could you please explain why you took the trade? Because it closed above the body candles. I don't care about wicks. I care about bodies. This candle closed above this one. This candle closed above this one. So yeah, I mean, looking like it is still maybe holding this level. Look at the 3 minutes, 5 minutes, looking like they're turning up a little bit. Do you stream every day? Yes, I stream London session live every single morning, and then I trade NY session with my private mentorship group every day. I'm not in a trade. I've 64, 62, 800. I guess I look at the bigger picture. Yeah, I just think you know, like the 4 hour for me tells me it's ranging pretty hard and with real bad price action. Because why? The candles are small. It's the first warning sign. The wicks are huge, suggesting, you know, prices moving up and down in a certain zone. The bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish, contradicting higher time frames. You know, these are 4 hours each, and they're ranging like that, suggesting a huge amount of range and no direction. Therefore, for me, when I go to the chart in the morning, I see GJ like this, I am not thinking anything about taking a trade at all in the slightest, even on the 4 hour. Okay, so just remember that you don't need to, you know, try and look at the higher time and go right. These are all 4 hour candles. These are 4 hours long each, and they're doing absolutely sweet nothing. So how am I gonna guess, or how am I gonna make a trade or a plan where GJ's gonna go when price doesn't even know? It's fucking Wednesday. So you remember that. Just try and just make life easier for yourself. If the 5 minute making and support buys will be above the previous candle high, no, because we're too close to this res now. That was my entry, that was my push, that's exactly what I want here. Now I gotta wait for, like, you know, a big push, support maybe there. 5.8 to come back to 6.2 maybe. Max thanks for the knowledge you are sharing, God bless you, yes. Yeah. Yeah, so there's the little link for the mentorship if you'd like to join that. Also the Instagram, I'll put that one as well. Where I post all my trades pretty much, so if you guys do miss the trades or you miss the stream, you can come here and you'll see the trades I've taken. I'll be posting EJ1 today at some point. Yeah, make sure to go follow. Make sure it's the right one though. This is the only real stop loss matters. There's like 15 fake ones, so remember that. Don't be Don't get scammed over here. Don't get scammed. Oof, oof. So closed, did it close below? Nope, it did not. It closed above. So for me, that's no trade to be taken with. I have to kind of wait for maybe another closure, maybe another 30 closure. This zone is actually pretty huge, so I don't really have to rush in. Trademark the name. It's not the name that's the issue, it's just Instagram, you know, you can just, they make like stop loss matter, they make stop loss matters one. This is just shit. Yeah, it's a little bit annoying. EJ's pushing on the run. Some volume coming in to the pairs. Not bad, not bad, not bad. So yeah, so far, I mean, you can see the results so far, and obviously add that other one on that we just took today, break-even trade. But for the most part, look how many wins I've taken. Since I haven't taken a losing trade since the 15th of February. So not bad at all, you know. Overall for the year, 26% gain. So, you know, if you had a £100,000 account, well, you made 26 grand this year. Someone's wage for the whole year. So yeah, this is just how it is. And you know, patience. How many trades have I taken? Not too many, you know. Nearly 50 trades. 50 trades, and there's been what? 30, 20, 40. It's probably been about 50 trading days as well. So one trade a day on average. See the difference though from last year. Just literally, you know, going on the Sims, finding things up a little bit more, and using percentage risk instead of fixed lot. It's basically done that. So I'll just write this one on. 735. But yeah, I mean, in terms of also recently, where the most trades came from, right? So 925, 130 here, 915, 8, 815, 12, 12. Yeah, so a good range from NY to London. Yeah. How often do you take a full loss, and how do you manage a trade if it goes in drawdown? I take a full loss quite a lot, to be honest with you, but there's just not many of them, so it doesn't really matter. In terms of recently, my last loss was minus 0.8, so managed really well there, nearly half risk. And the other two losers in that were full, just full slaps. Yeah, some good management in these sessions as well. Like, even though I took 3 losing trades here, minus 0.8, minus 0.18. Sorry, yeah, 0.18. So not bad. Wow, about to come for GJ, but still no trade zone. Yeah, exactly, you know. Nothing here at all. How many pips do you usually catch? It just completely depends on how big my stop is, how big the zone is, how much I want to run, closures, everything, you know. Just take a look at, you know, close 80% and closing falls. They seem to be around, you know, where this, how big the stop was, you know. That was a nice one on GJ, the GJ buy. It was huge. A nice trade on that one. And same with that one. That was 20 pips, 10 pips stop. Not bad. And do you risk 1% per trade or a little bit more? I risk 1.4% per trade. Yeah, 1.4% for me is just the perfect amount. Yeah. Is there any chance to share the spreadsheet? Yes. There you go. One hour closed above on gold. Yep. That's fine. I'm not really asked about these buys now. I've already rejected once. I ain't pushing my luck again. I've already tried the buys. We pushed up nicely, got to 10 pips, but did not continue. Therefore, there seems to be some sort of resistance here. 50-minute close bearish. Yeah, it didn't close below, so the buys can still wick fill. They can still fill the wick. But in terms of what I want to take, unless this 15 closes bullish, then I may take the buy. Okay, so if this next candle closes like that, then yeah, I might take the buy. Can we change the entry names on the spreadsheets? Well, all you gotta do is make a copy, and then you can just, you know, yeah, you can just change. You just change everything. Just make a spreadsheet, you know. Oh yes, 81 likes, guys. 150 likes, and we'll be giving away a Magic Keys risk management tool, the best one I've used. So 150 likes, and we'll get that sorted. Someone in here can be a lucky winner. Winner, chicken dinner. Yeah, I can't believe Man United there. 7-0. Wow, that's bad, man. That is no good. Hey Max, quick question on Magic Keys. Do you manually set up your trade to 1.4% risk each time before taking trade? No, it's already set for every trade. I don't need to do it every time. I just go to percentage risk and then just type on 1.4%, and then that's it for all the trades. Yep. I tried to set it up, but when I close and open Magic Keys again, it was reset back to default setting. Oh. Yeah, you just gotta go check Magic Keys support. I'm buying the Magic Keys on the screen yesterday using your code. Max, thanks for your code. Ah, nice. Yeah, save you 10% off. Good stuff, good stuff. So, let's take a look at Goldie. Still respecting, you know, this level hasn't closed below yet. It's still kind of hovering around there at the moment. Look at that. Yeah, literally just checking Raja here. Exactly what I had drawn out. And this is when you know life's good, right? When the person you learnt off has the same exact zones as you, you want sells below 1851.8, buys below 1856. Nice. Very nice. Not buying gold? Maybe, eventually. 15 closes below. Oof. I'm not gonna lie though, I think I may wait for this 30 to close. 30, most of my fake outs I've been doing have been on the 30 minute. Did you enter gold on the flip or the break of the high, Mr. Entry? I got the break of the high. Yeah. Oh yeah, Max is saying affiliate code money. It's fucking nothing. Like it's nothing spectacular. It's like, what, £1 per one? Wow. Fuck. So yeah, we're just waiting patiently. 4 minutes left for this candle. It's still hovering here. The candles are getting a little bit slower in terms of the smaller in terms of their body. The wicks are getting a little bit bigger, showing maybe lack of volume, but we'll see. It's still respecting that level at the moment. Wait for a 50-minute bullish candle to buy gold. Yes, I agree. So it's lost though. Obviously, breaking should be lost. Why would this happen? Let's take a look. It might not have had any time, right? Let's take a look here. Yeah, right. Is Ryan in here? Yeah, right. It's because I think it was very, very close. I think I lost a little bit on it as well, like, as in like a little tiny amount. Just for the fact that you stop us to break even, it was probably below your break even level, because it was, look. It closed at 1856.82, or it might have just slipped you. So slippage, right, is when the markets move too quickly for your broker to close out at the right point. So slippage just happens. You just got to get on with it. It doesn't, you know, you lost in terms of hitting your break even. You lost 0.6 of a pip. So yeah, all good, broski. Let's take a look. Filter on the 7L. Wait, 50-minute Max, now that you have mastered Raj's concept, will you expand your horizon to other trading concepts, more intraday or swing trading? No. Swing trading doesn't fucking work. Have you ever seen a swing trader, you know, stream and do trades all every single day consistently and, you know, show their result? It's just fucking no. It doesn't work. Not for me anyway. And also, you'd be having to check your charts all day. Why would I change from a thing that makes me like 12 to 30% a month to something that I'd have to learn all over again, just so I have to check the charts every fucking hour every day, all day? Like, hell no. No. I found when a candle on the 30-minute closes body in the long wick, it's trembling, it often gets filled. Yeah, I think that's true. For me here though, it's rejecting. Interesting. It's still around that area though. As I say, I'm just gonna wait for this 30 to close, because if you look at the hourly as well, right? If this 15 closes or whatever, you need to remember, look, the hourly closed above. The retest is here on the body of the candle, so price could tap there, reflip, take the buy, and push. So I'm gonna probably have a trade in the next 50 minutes or so. Either a bullish closure on the 30 or a bearish closure on the 30, right? That's pretty much it. Just an opinion about swing trading. It would be cool, nice to hear your thoughts around some topics in the industry. Yeah, and also, oh, that's good. This is good, guys. That was a great rejection. Well, very nice. Close. There we go. Right, break of the high. I'm just gonna get in, guys. 1857.3 or 25. I think the zone could still continue. We've just rejected the previous zone with the hourly. So good stuff. Break of the previous high. I'm going to get into right here. To continue to fill the zone. Stop loss is going to be 17 pips, 18 pips to gain. 30s reflipping. Very nice. Gold has to go down. Yes. someone's in a gold cell. The good thing about this is if it wants to continue back down the 30 closing below, then I've got to sell as well, so that's great. It's all good. Dun, dun. EG buys with 14473. Nah, I think it's alright. For me, obviously this pushed up nicely. This came down, but there's a shitload of wicks there. Rejection wick. It's just do magic keys calculate your position automatically on buy stops and sell stops as well? Yes. So it takes me literally 0.01 second to put a buy stop on. With calculated risk, stop loss is there, TP's there. It's beautiful. Max, putting stop loss to break even at 67 pips in profit is a good risk management. I don't know. You have to go back to it. For me, it's 50%. So whatever the stop is, 50% is normally where you go break even. And if you join the mentorship, you find my little tweaks and hints from other setups as well. Because sometimes they're different. Depends which setup. What's your buy stop price? 18 to 57.25. Max, do you think there is enough range for gold buys? Yes, there is. The resistance is here. And even it might even magnet to 1860, but stop loss is 17, TP 19, 18. What is your stop loss, bro? You can find that out. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, dude. Max, do you think there is enough? Yes, GJ, nice. Pushing P. What do you think of EJ? I'm not asked. I think the zone above is alright. It's gonna probably push to 144,900, but stop. Even if you want to get in, I mean, how big is a stop? 15 could be alright, but 30-minute, 29 pip stop for a 15 pip gain. Hell no. When will I delete my buy stop if it breaks that low? That 3-minute candle rejected that daily flip so hard as well. Damn, son. 10 minutes left for this 30. So yeah, hopefully in the next maybe day or two we can start to pull away from this range. It's been here since Wednesday. What actually pairs did I trade last week? Euro, JPY, GJ, and gold. Yeah, one of each. Very nice. Yeah, and EJ, as I said, has been great, man. We've taken how many trades? Taken 5 trades in EJ and I haven't lost one. So that's great. We will do some back testing on EJ as well shortly to catch up with the other pairs. So currently making the lower wick. 8 minutes left. So yeah, it's gonna go retest this level again. If this then reflips, it will be great. In fact, I'm gonna move my entry to the flip now. Also going to probably delete soon as well, and then we may have a closure back in the zone. So why have I changed my entry to the flip? Just because if we reflip this candle, we're gonna get the drive, and I'd rather save myself, like 3 or 4 pips. What's your buy stop price? 1857.04. You increase your lot size with the smaller stop on the flip. Yes. Oh yeah. Yeah, see EJ came up, so that resistance rejected a little bit. Just elevator music. Yes, maybe. Elevator music. Okay, so coming down here, if we break that low, then we are changing from bullish structure. Well, not really. Yeah, bullish overall on the 30 to potentially bearish structure. And also, yeah, 30 really break the low. Wow, we have a closure back in the zone over here. Holy. Okay, and we broke the low. sorry, 15. Okay, so deleted my buy stop over here. I'm gonna wait for this closure potentially. Let's take a look at GJ. GJ still nothing. So it broke it on my terminal, didn't break it on trading views. It still hasn't properly broke it yet. Come on, break it, you twat. Oh my god, I have to put it back on. Just showing what's the plan, boss. We'll see, man. There's looking like good opportunities for both buys and sells on gold, depending on how this closes, really. If you get a closure back in the zone, it's a fake out of the Asian highs. It's beautiful trades, which I'll take all day, every day. If we close in the range on the 30-minute and it makes a wick and breaks the low of the previous candle, would you put your stop loss above previous 30-minute candle or current? Previous. I don't feel as confident and usually put the stops above previous. Yeah, stops above previous is easy. Because that's the fundamental of the trade. Whereas if you're trying to find the top wick and then it makes it a bigger top wick and then you lose a trade even though it won eventually after, it's just not a nice feeling, you know. 1848 would be the runner. Close, you dosser. Close. Please, close. Back below the 4-hour res. Oh, slow down, please. Slow down. Do you want a top wick? Not really, don't really care too much for it. I've already rejected loads. Hold your horse, Goldie! Fucking hell. Relax, boy. Wait for this closure. It's only 27 pips to be fair, it's still not bad. It's not huge. Oh, come on, gold. Close! So we can make a little wick, you know, so I have time to get in. Oh, you tosser. Yeah, I might have to get in here, guys. I'm just gonna get in. Yeah, very, very strong candle. I'd rather get in than miss the trade, to be honest with you. So yeah. I know there's a little minor support there, but I think with the volume we're gonna get past it. Got to sit this one out. 30-minute candle's too much of the zone. That's alright. Yeah, maybe a little bit. Think it's still good. So we are at that hourly support, 30.15. So I am going to be going break even here. Risk-free trade. There's no top wick. We may get break even here, but we'll see. It's looking like a lot of volume, so. Yeah. Big ass wick. How's GJ doing? How's EJ doing? All right, yeah, meh. We may have a second gold trade as well, potentially if this next 30 closes below. Do you know what? I think I might close some here, you know. Yeah, I'm gonna close some here. If we get this last push, come on, push. If you get back to like to reflipping this this is 3 and breaking the high, I'm gonna close some here. And mainly, yeah, I'm gonna close 80% here. But 12 pips, not bad. Gonna leave the rest running. I think mainly because of the fact I'm worried that these wicks are gonna wick me out and I'm gonna get a break even. And also I know for the fact that we could come back down here and that's great, and I'm gonna and also the reason why I'm not really asked about you know, holding this one on is that if we do actually push here, I'm gonna get the trade that I actually wanted, which is this closure below, and then I can re-enter and again get this whole move. So I'd rather take my positions off here, because all I'm going to really lose realistically then is just from here to here with 80% of my position. I've still got 20% on. But, you know, if we come further below with this closure, then I'm just going to have a second trade here. So, you know, it's worth it. Very nice. Beautiful work, guys. Zero drawdown again. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Fucking hell, 0 drawdown. I haven't seen red on my screen, pretty much. Yeah, so I closed. Let's take a look at my thing. I got in there. I closed at 13. Not bad, not bad, not bad. See if this can continue for runners and obviously for a potential other trade as well. That'll be beautiful. Put some W's in the chat, guys. I've literally explained 2 trades, 0 drawdown for both of them. And just patiently waiting, you know. I'm waiting for the buys potentially if we broke that high to continue bullish, making some support. We then close strongly bearish in the zone. Man, life's good. Life's good. So yeah, I closed TP1 right there. Really, really solid work. And yeah, so we wait for the runner. Easy, easy stuff. Just took a beautiful trade here. Closure back in the zone. All the chat are loving it. We've got a little runner on over here. And potentially another trade coming our way. So this is my like 10th win in a row. And yeah, really, really going well, March. Let's go. Let's go. Dubs in the chat. Also for the fact as well, guys, why I also closed a little bit there as well is because the 30 has no top wick. So we know there's an 80% chance it's going to make a top wick. Therefore, probability was against me. And if I'm up, you know, 13 pips, yeah, my stop loss is maybe a little bit larger. But I still made, you know, probably 0.76%, something like that. What's the best lots for 10k balance I'm doing funded? I just use fixed lot. Fucking without magic keys, the life is hard. Yeah, 0.4. It's not the best, but it's a win. I love 0 drawdown. Yeah, man. Yeah, I was like, I do not need a top wick on that candle. The amount of volume, fucking hell. So yeah, hopefully this runner can continue. So yeah, we'll just go and show you how much I actually made from that trade. It is this. Stop loss was 28. Okay. What trade was I taking out? 8:30. But you see that I've barely looked at GJ and EJ. Why? Because there's a sweet fuck all there, you know. So I put my focus to Goldie. Okay. Was there a better stop I could have used on the 15? No. It's the same one, I'm pretty sure. So if this hits 0, then yeah, it's not going to be a big gain, but it's going to be, you know, good fun. 30 times 0.8. 10.4. Obviously the runner's still in, but it looks like it's probably not going to stay on. So yeah, like 0.5%. Not bad, not bad. If this runner doesn't continue. But yeah, hopefully maybe at 9:30 we'll get a closure below here, and then we'll get such a clean zone. Focusing on 30-minute gold candle makes life more easy, doesn't it, man? Life is so much easier now. Focusing on just the 30-minute closures, really. I mean, obviously a 15 every so often when it's a very strong candle, but for the most part, man, it's, yeah. Yeah, sure this. Actually, I'll do that. Still in it, which is good. That could be the top wick as well, hopefully. Drive! It looks like we do have the volume with us, which is great work. I've been trading 5 minutes before I found Rajan Don, and you even dialed with 1 minute. Now switch to 15 and 30, and it's so much easier. Yeah, it's just more relaxed, man. You just wait for closures. Life is good. And also, guys, what you need to remember, and this is a very interesting lesson, is that, you know, you could be doing well right now, your confidence is high, but you always got to remember there will be a time where you're not doing as well, okay? You've got to remember to stay disciplined, stay focused, and know that, you know, it's just all a part of the game. Sometimes you get choppier trades, sometimes you get worse months than others. So don't get butthurt when, you know, the next month could be bad or whatever. You've got to stay consistent with that. Don't get too high with your highs and don't get too low with your lows. That's what I'd say. Just keep it set. You see now as well, for winning trades, I'm not as screaming as I used to be. Kind of just go through it like, yeah, whatever. Because it's kind of, it's how I should show other people to do it. Max, can you explain why you didn't wait for a top wick on the 30? Just because of the volume, the aggression. My stop loss is very safe, right? It's not like my stop loss is like tight. You know, it's huge stop. So, and with the direction of the candles, I know there's more probability of me missing the trade. Look how strong that candle's closed. There's more probability of me missing the trade than there was for me to make a big top wick, right? Just because of, if you look at the 5, look how strong the candle's closed. No top wicks really at all. So, yeah, I just decided that I didn't really need much of a top wick. Your break even got hit? You still in? Yeah, I'm well higher than that. It's got nowhere near my stop yet. Still got like 4 or 5 pips to steer me in, but it looks like it's probably not going to. Really good work. 116 likes. Make sure you like the stream if you haven't already. Spam that like button. So let me just add on here. Sorry, 13 pips. I was busy waiting for one, not that steep, missed the move. Yeah, I think that just comes from, you know, most of the time I never do, but the difference was here is that we were nutting, man. I was looking at the lower time frames. I was looking at, you know, 5 to 3 minutes. Look, we were pushing. We had volume with us. We had direction with us. We had strong candle close. I was confident with the move, especially how it's a fake out closure back in the zone. I take them all day, all night. I actually double risk them as well. You need to remember that. So yeah, I double risked that one. Did you double risk this one? Yep. I'm double risking every single closure back in the zone now. Yeah. So actually, for people in the YouTube and stuff, should I put that as ×2 or not? Because I didn't really tell you guys specifically to double risk this one, did I? I'll leave it like that. I want to be transparent, you know. But yeah, I did double risk that one. So I actually made 1%. Well, I've still got 2 runners on, right? Leave it like that's easy. Yeah. I entered a bit late and my break even just got hit. Yeah, that's all good. That's all good. Why do you do 2 times risk closure back in the zone? Because they work pretty much 80% of the time and they all run very nicely as well. Has a very high win rate and they fill the range, you know. So this realistically now, I mean, obviously maybe not our closure, but if you've gotten a bit higher, which is what I wanted, like there, you know, you normally fill this whole range. So what I would normally do is, yeah, I would, you know, close 80% of my double risk lot and then just leave the runner to all the way down there and you get a big gain. Like we started double risking on the Sims and man, the percentage gain was ridiculous. So kind of what I did. Look at that, man! I haven't taken a fucking losing trade since the 15th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10 wins. GJ similar setup? No, it's not. People in the mentorship tell me why it's not a similar setup. Why is it not a similar setup? Did you do risk? Yes. It didn't close past Asian high. Beautiful! Beautiful work. Well done, squad. Yeah. Yeah. This is the resistance. We haven't even closed above yet. We're still in the zone. It's just ranging. If this candle closed above, like that, and then the next candle closes back into the zone on the 30-minute like that, then there you go. There's the trade. Great stuff. So yeah, if you do need extra help and just a little bit more effort from that side, the mentorship is a place to be. You see everyone in the mentorship know instantly why that isn't. You just learn them, going through the motions on Sims, the webinars, go through it. So if you do want to have extra help in learning how I trade, the mentorship is there. 135 people all there, and the amount of people that stay for 3, 4, 5, 6 months is pretty high. So if you set your risk so far, yeah. That's true. That's true. And yeah, my runner got out of break even here. So there we go. There's the calculation. 0. So yeah, made 0.5. That's okay. You know. I would have made 0 if I didn't close any, right? So that's great. Get some money on the table. Start this week off. So yeah. EJ is better. Great work. Here's one which is me. So there's no yeah. Conservative. Bless you, lol. So yeah, amazing work, man. 200 people saw us take that trade from start to finish. And did you see what I was doing the whole time? From literally about an hour ago, if you go and watch, right? I talked about the buy. I took the buy. We faked out. I avoided the fake out. We then waiting for a bullish closure above. We waited for that. I was going to get the break of the high there. Didn't happen. I said I'm going to delete it when we break the low. If we break this low though, we're probably going to get a closure back in the zone. Waited for the closure back in the zone. Took it. So I'm already planning. I'm just like a couple of minutes ahead. Like 30 minutes ahead of what could potentially happen. Okay, and you can see that I'm not even looking at GJ or EJ at all because they're just ranging. This is where all of the donuts trade and take all these fucking shit trades and lose 4 times. And I take that one trade on gold and then, you know, have a great day. That's literally it. Made a top work on the 15 now, looks good. No. Are you talking about gold? So please do not get, do not get kind of happy about this. Oh, it's making the top wick now. But you need to remember what's happened. Look at the 30. Prices came down and we've tapped support and we've rejected. So, you know, if you like get in on this reflip of the 30 here, it's not a vibe. You've already hit the zone that you need to either get a break even on or take a little bit off. That's what I did. Okay, just remember that. Not every like top wick is a top wick to continue. You need to remember where it's been before. It's been to support. It's actually been, if you look to the left hand side, there was resistance here. Support there, so it's such a very, very big zone, and this is why I wanted to close a little bit there as well after we stopped pushing. So yeah, be a little bit cautious of that. Max, do you think to give a chance on EJ if it closes back in the Asian range and it's the correct time? Of course. Yeah. Do you know what? I'm sorry. I think it's quite a long way away, but yeah, it's clean. These are clean as well below, yeah. But let's take a look, right? What would you do? What calculation would you do? Okay, so let's say that it does close below, back in the zone there. What's the calculation that we first have to do? How big would the stop be? Stop would be 22 pips. The zone would be 16. It's already pushing it. You know. So yeah, I'd probably avoid it. Avoid it like the plague. Down. So yeah, coming towards 9 o'clock now. The only thing that I'm pretty looking for here now is probably just the gold cells here. The gold cells. Yeah, GJ coming back in the zone. It's ranging. So probably going to finish off over here very shortly because I can't really see too much apart from if gold plays out maybe at 9:30. But for the most part, pretty done for the morning. So let's just play a little game of chess to finish off. Don't know why I did that. For fuck's sake, I moved the wrong pawn. Look at Goldie coming back up. Goldie is flying. Yeah, the Owlie came back up, 30-minute rejected. Max thought on Eric 7 Targ. Thoughts on Eric 7 Targ. Ah, yes. That's pretty mad. He must be pissed. He must be pissed. Like, that is not a vibe. Max, is the chess line online or offline? Online. Buy above resistance and gold now. You could potentially, yeah. We'll see. See how this candle closes. Look at the Owlie. Look at that retracement, man. Shit. I couldn't move my horsey anywhere. Why do they play like that, man? Fucking get the queen out, like, bruh. Fair enough, I'm playing chess right now. Let's play. Yeah, especially when you start getting good at trading, you can relax. You know, man, you can just play chess all day and wait for your setup. Life is good. Fucking hell, look at that. Damn, son. Retracement. Wait, this guy with his bishop is just going for my horses. No, but he can take me. I don't want to lose my horsey. Dum dum dum. God, that word was well good. Look at that retracement, good rejection here. So yeah, I mean maybe at 9:30 you're gonna get this closure below. It looks like. So might have to wait until then. Oh fuck. I mean, I can't really do anything with the fucking bishop, can I? Fuck's sake. Doom. Doom doom. So yeah, for me to re-enter a trade, it will be just below 1851.8. Oh yeah, right on. I'm assuming Raj will be looking for the same as well. Drop a like on the stream. I'm gonna watch some movies. Oh, very nice. A movie day. Nice for some, eh? If I got that, you can take, and then you can take again, and then you can take even again. Yeah, fuck that. Okay. Oh yeah, I can take it that now. Great idea. Tashi, full with ideas. King Gambit. I need to watch The Mandalorian again, actually, because I didn't really watch it as well last time. That's what I need to do. Okay. I need my castles to come out to play, don't I? Really, this is kind of pissing me off a little bit. One-on-one with Magnus, yes. He looks like a G as well. Does he stream? I see clips of him like streaming, kind of. Oh shit. Kind of messing around, which is quite funny. He's gonna move his castle there, isn't he? Please don't move it there. Ooh. City move, young Padawan. So very strong closure again. Wow. 15 celery probably will work. Am I gonna take it? No. I'm just gonna wait further below because yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Oh, fuck off, you boring twat. So, accelerator plays happening. Let's see if this works out. 10 pips. Yeah, it's not the biggest zone. 28 minutes left for this hourly. I think I'm gonna head off over here, guys. I think I'm gonna wait until 9:30. If you get this closure, great. I'm gonna take the cells, and my mentorship group will get that. But apart from that, I think we are done this morning. Great work, man. Discussed from start to finish. Gold to the T today. GJ nothing. EJ nothing. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna wait maybe at 9:30. We go get some breakfast. I'll keep updated on Instagram. So make sure to go follow the Instagram. See if there's any moves coming up. There. So yeah, thank you so much, guys, for coming on. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Thank you very much, Zoom. Have a great day.
See you later,
Michael.
see you later.
See you everyone. See you later, Rai. See you everyone. Peace out. Peace out. Bye bye. Bye bye. See you later, YouTube. Thank you so much for coming on. Have a great rest of your day, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace out. Peace out.